Hello students, in the previous video we talked about the overview of the syllabus, and we said that the syllabus is going to be divided into three categories. In the three categories we focused on the first categories where we talked about numericals, and in the previous video we talked about the different categories of numbers that we are going to be using in this lecture. Today we are going to talk about product of prime factors. You still remember we talked about prime factors in the previous video, and product of prime factors is defined as breaking down of a composite number into prime numbers multiplied together. For example, if you look at COF, it is a composite number. It consists of prime factors. It also consists of whole number factors. But in this video, we're going to talk about product of prime factors. We need to break down COF into a product of only prime factors. So 12 is a factor 2, is a factor 2, and another factor 3. If we multiply this, we still get 12. So breaking down 12 into this composite feature is what we call breaking down a number into a product of its prime factors. There are various methods that we use in order to break down a number into a composite of its prime factor, but today we are going to look at the tree method. For example, if you are given a number 252 and you need to break down this number into a composite of its prime factor, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to divide with the smallest prime factor, which is 2. So if you divide this number by 2, the remainder that you're going to get, you write it on the next branch. So if you divide 2 by this number, you get this remainder. Then you divide 2 by the remainder, you get 63. Then 63, you cannot divide it by 2. We move on to the next prime factor. The next prime factor of 63 will be 3. So you divide 3, you divide 63 by 3, then you get 21. 21, you also divide it by 3, then you get 7. After doing this, you collect all the prime factors that you have divided by and the remainder. Then you write them in multiple form. Then at the end, you write them in index form. So